Hey everyone, so I've got my two-way radios here. Now this was sent to me by the seller, so I can go ahead and show you everything that comes with. Then we're going to go over the features of this. So of course we got two radios, and what it comes with, we've got two charging cords. It's really two of everything. We have two lanyards. We also have a headset, and I'll show you how we go ahead and install these in a moment. Also our batteries. You can see here on the bottom, just takes a Type-C connector. So it does come with the wires that you need to, but if you use a Type-C connector at your house to charge your tablets, phones, things like that, you use actually the same one. These do have a range of up to 5 miles. That's on an open space. If it's more enclosed, it could be just a couple miles, or if you're in a bunch of trees, it could be 2 or 3 miles. Just kind of really depends on where you're located. So to put the batteries in, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna slide them in. It does have a belt clip right here on the back side. Right here, we've got two knobs. We've got channel and power.
One,
So as soon as you turn it on, it's going to tell you the channel that you're on. Every time you switch it, it's going to tell you what channel you're on.
3, 4, 5.
So everything up to 16 channels. On the side, we do have an orange button. That allows you to set this up to voice activation. That way, when you want to talk on it, you don't actually have to press down the receiver button and mic to talk to anybody. It's just going to pick up your voice, and that way you can go ahead and start talking. Also on the side here has another panel. You open this up. You can go ahead and plug this headset in here. And this allows you to listen through this part. And then when you want to talk, what you're going to do is just press this button right here. This is super easy to use, compact. What I like about it, no license is needed. These are just walkie-talkies. And these are good for using in camping, work, even if you're going on a cruise ship. This is a great way to communicate with your family. I hope you found this review helpful.